What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to a brand new video here at Cuspide Insurance. My name is Carlos, licensed agent. Today we are going to be taking a look at the best family health insurance plans for 2025. So for all my families out there who want some health coverage for you and your kids, you and your parents, this video is for you because it's highly detailed. It's going to include everything that you need to know about your health insurance for families, right? Everything you need to know, plan types, benefits, costs, everything, how to qualify is in this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel because it truly helps it out a lot. Let's dive straight into it. Make sure to call the number on the screen here, 305-970-8583 to get a quote at absolutely no cost to you. Let's dive straight into it. So there are a few things here that you need to know. Let's move the camera. When it comes to health insurance for families, right? Number one is you want to find out what your goal is, okay? Wants and needs. Find out what your goal is, okay? Some families go to the doctors a lot, right? They have pre-existing health conditions. Some really don't need it. They want to save as much money as possible because they don't go to the doctor rarely, right? And they just want a plan, for just what-if scenarios. They don't really need to go to the doctor. So depending on that answer, what are your wants, what are your need, what do you want right out of your plan? What's your goal with your plan? Depending on that answer, we can put you one way or the other. So another thing is look at child coverage. There are a lot of great options for the parents who want coverage for their kids. A lot of great options, child dental plans, child vision plans, pediatrics covered, a lot of times free, no cost. It all depends, of course, on this final and third topic. Everything regarding family health insurance regards around household income, right? Your adjusted gross income is what matters. When you file your taxes, line 11 on your 1040 return is what you're going to be applying with, because based on that, the plans are either going to be cheaper or you're going to pay much more for them. So let's talk a little bit about that. So up on the screen here is the income limits. Depending on your household size and your annual household income, you're either going to pay a lot for your plan or very little. So let's talk a bit about what this means. So on the left here is 100% of the federal poverty level for one person is $15,060. So in order to qualify for a subsidy, you have to pay $15,060 a year in your adjusted gross income in order to qualify for a plan. Now, if it's a family of four, for health insurance for family of four, they would need to make $31,200, and for health insurance for a family of five, they would need to make $36,000. So as long as you're in this bracket between 100 and 400%, you are qualifying for a subsidy to help pay for your plan every month. Now, the closer you are to 100, the more subsidy you get. The closer you are to 400, the less subsidy, because you're making more income, you need less help to pay for your plan. That's pretty much straightforward. Let's move the camera again. But there it is on the screen. So family of four, $31,000, family of five, $36,000. The maximum is $124,000 and $146,000. So depending on where you are, is what you're going to be more or less paying for your plan. But if you want an actual detailed quote on how much you're going to pay, all you need to do is very quick. 305-970-8583. You will get in contact with me. I will help you out. Quote at absolutely no cost, no strings attached. You just get a quote and we'll compare your options based on your wants, your needs, and pick a plan tailored for you. No hassle, nothing. So let's continue. What are the best family health insurance plans in 2025? So we filtered it a little bit between price, quality, and network. Now, easily any of these companies in here, right, could go on to be in any of these categories, right? Oscar could be quality, Oscar could be a large network, because there are so many counties in the United States that, some companies are better in some areas than others, because these companies are based in counties. While they may be in your state, maybe they're not in another county next where your neighbor lives. Not your neighbor, but your cousin lives in another county. They may not have the same company as you, just because companies are based on counties. So there's thousands and hundreds of thousands of counties in the United States. Any of these companies could be linked anywhere, but usually for price, Oscar, companies like Oscar and Better Health, Molina Healthcare are going to be your best and cheapest options. Now, cheap doesn't mean bad, but they're usually very, very competitive with pricing. Now, for quality, I do think Kaiser Permanente is one of the top companies overall, just because they're a nonprofit and they just have great coverage. They're just in very, very little states, so they would never make the network tier because Blue Cross Blue Shield and United Healthcare are kings, right? They're pretty much in every state in the country. Again, Blue Cross could easily be under quality and easily be under price because there's a lot of HMO plans under Blue Cross Blue Shield that are very, very cheap. Now, if this is a lot, there's a lot of options here, but we take the effort here and we do this all ourselves here. We find you the best plan at the best price, tailored to you and your needs. We have contracts with all of these companies on the screen and many, many more that are local to your state. So we'll always find you the best plan at the best price. That is guaranteed. So call the number on the screen here, 305-970-8583 if you want a plan tailored to you. There it is on the screen. We've done this for many, many years now. We are very experienced. We are the best in family health insurance and individual health insurance. So through the marketplace. So anything that you may need, we are here for you. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe because it truly, truly helps out the channel a lot. Thank you all so much for watching. If you want to contact me, numbers on the screen here. Reach out and we will get you and your family in the plan that you deserve today. Thank you all so much for watching. I will see you all in another one. Take care. Bye-bye.